editor sa pagbuo ng pelikula. Kasi nasa likod ng camera. For this night, I would like to give light kay Bench. Bench, I'm so proud of you. Yung napanood ko yung pelikulang Sunshine, hindi ako makapaniwala sa performance namin lahat dito. And I know for sure, ang laki ng tulong mo sa editor. This is for all of the editors here and for Bench. Thank you.
Presenting our next award category, please welcome the stars of upcoming movie Mancha, Shaira Twe and Kai Flores, together with Speed PRO Neil Ramos.
Long before audiences are moved by a story, narinig muna natin ang mga tunog na nagbibigay buhay dito.